have a Dead Center Film Festival is because she started the Bare Bones Film Festival the year before, and our founders went there, found out about it. So the queen of Oklahoma film, Chiron Butterfly Ray.
The film circuit would not be what it is today without a Lance McDaniel. Don't you agree? Thank you, everyone.
Is she works at Tulsa's FMAC, which is the Tulsa Office of Film, Music, Arts, and Culture. They're the only city that actually has a film program where they're reaching out to get movies, and because of that, they had a movie called Minari that was produced by Brad Pitt's company that just debuted at Sundance. It's amazing, and it's because of Abby Curran that we are getting all these great things to the east side of our state. Please welcome Abby Curran.
Who here loves Dead Center? I absolutely love Dead Center and this entire team. Thank you all so much. I'm honored to be here.
We now have waited 20 years to say thank you to the two brothers that made this happen. All of us can help grow things once it started, but the reason we are here is because Justin and Jason Floyd started Dead Center 20 years ago.
I want to take a second to thank this team behind me, because it wouldn't have been, we'd have probably made it to year maybe 3, maybe, without this team that fell in love with this process and you guys and this community. So thank you very, very much for supporting Oklahoma Film, and continue to do so. Thanks.
Oh, and Jason's an educator now. What's up with the future?
You are the future. Thank you for showing up tonight. I want to thank my wife, my family, my mom who served hot dogs as the first. Thank you, and we love you.